Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare, verify you're human. If you keep seeing the Cloudflare verification prompt and want to clear out the browser data that may be causing it, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to do that from your browser settings. We'll move carefully through each screen so it's easy to follow along. Start by opening your browser. Make sure you're on the main browser window before continuing, since the settings menu we need is located in the top right corner. Once the browser is open, look to the top right area of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This opens the browser's main options panel, where you can access tools and settings related to privacy, history, and stored website data. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main browser settings page. Depending on your browser version, the layout may look slightly different, but the general categories should be very similar. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. This is the section where browsers store controls for cookies, cached files, site permissions, and browsing data. If Cloudflare keeps asking you to verify that you're human, clearing this data can often help remove outdated or conflicting information. Next, click on Delete. This option is used to remove browsing data. In some browsers, it may appear as Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data, but here you'll select the Delete option shown on the screen. When the time range options appear, click on All Time. This is important because it ensures the browser removes all stored data related to previous sessions, not just the most recent activity. If older cookies or cached files are causing the repeated verification issue, choosing a shorter time range may not fully fix the problem. After selecting All Time, click Delete again to confirm. This final step clears the browsing data from the browser. Once the deletion is complete, give the browser a moment to finish processing. After that, you can reopen the website that was showing the Cloudflare verification page and check whether the issue has been resolved. In many cases, this refreshes the browser's stored information and stops the repeated human verification prompt. As a quick tip, after clearing browsing data, some websites may sign you out, so be prepared to log back in if needed. Also, if the issue continues, make sure your browser is up to date and that any privacy extensions are not interfering with website verification. That's it. You've now gone through the process of clearing the relevant browser data to help fix the Cloudflare Verify You're Human issue.